A Cincinnati woman is finally telling the story of a robbery where she was threatened with a cicada. She claims it has haunted her for nearly 35 years. Okay, at that time, two men allegedly stole $24 from a restaurant's cash register after scaring the cashier away with the cicada. The two men entered the Grand Slam restaurant with a cicada in their hands. Kellogg, who was 22 at the time, allegedly ran away after the two men threw the bug at her. She later discovered that the register had been robbed.
Yeah. It's winter time, but y'all not showing where the heat at. Build your fire, wait until the sun up.